Okay, so first night in the new place. We officially have electricity. Okay, so first night in the new place. I just tried to take Nacho outside and the front door was locked. Like, there's a little button you're supposed to push it will unlock the door, but it just didn't work. Also, I was filming the dog coming out of the elevator because he's not used to elevators. And then the second I stopped recording, he walked headfirst into the glass door. But now I'm back upstairs, but I think I am going to get changed and go up and use the gym, because when I was up there earlier to try and check out the sunrise, it was empty. So I'm hoping I can maybe just get in a workout, because the electricity, the guy who's gonna come to turn on our electricity isn't coming until 9 and it's only like 7:45. Okay, workout done, taking in the view. And hopefully the electricity guy will be here any minute now, so I'm gonna chill out for a few minutes and then head down to the apartment and get back to putting things away for the day. Do you think he's actually scared of heights?
No, he's terrified of heights. I showed him yesterday the edge and he was just like, he backed away.
He was like, nope.
It's like, well,
My 3 best boys. Back at the apartment, we officially have electricity and food. So this hopefully will be our last meal that we have to order out, but it is delicious. There's this new, well, not new, but we just found it about a month ago and we've eaten there 3 times since we found it. Amazing Chinese food that actually tastes authentic, and it's all vegetarian. A lot of it is vegan. So now I'm gonna be a lot happier once we eat and there's electricity and everything is just finally.
Also, I figured out that our neighbors is like a 27-year-old dude that still lives at home and got yelled at by his mom.
Aww.
He was playing music very loud. And she came in and she was like, I am trying to knit. Turn it off. Yeah, it was good. He had a big sucky cry. I mean, so I won't put my I couldn't hear what he was saying, but I could hear him like, so he lives somewhere over there. I don't know where, but it's nice. I feel like we live in the city now, where it's like apartment building antics.
But still surprisingly quiet. I've heard almost nothing. At nighttime at least. Anyway, food time. Bye. Currently Thursday morning and we are up watching the sunrise. Alex just went back downstairs to get some more layers and to make a coffee, but we just had to come up and obviously wearing our masks in all the communal areas, but we're outside and there's no one else awake, so masks are off. I'm so tired. I'll explain later, but I really didn't get much sleep last night. Thursday, and honestly, the only thing I've done today is edit because I have to get my apartment hunting video up. So that would have gone up last week by the time you're seeing this video. Go check it out. I'll link it down below if you want to see what the other options were for apartments. But yeah, went for a little bit of a walk, exploring what's nearby, took the dog out. We had a little picnic on the balcony for lunch, but now I'm about to, now that this is finally exporting, it took a little longer than expected, always does, get into this. Ali's in the other room currently watching TikToks, but he's gonna make some calls while I put things away because I want the things to be where I want them to be, but we also need to call up the Wi-Fi company and call up an electrician and all things like that. So he's gonna handle like the communication with other people, and I'm just gonna handle organization. Oh yeah, it's fresh. But I don't. No, I'll just, it's fine. It's not fine. It's not fine. Oh my god. It's deep. It's like really deep. Going to a better time when it was you and I so mesmerized, yeah. By the way that you move, no matter what mood, shawty, you by my side, you by my side, ride or die, ooh. Never ending cycle. Shawty, I want you by my side, girl. I'ma bring you back to my world. No matter the price, it's alright, yeah. Anything to end this night, man. For you, I would give my whole life, baby. I say that without thinking twice, yeah. Oh, got this weight on my shoulders, yeah. Got an ache in my heart. I just need one more touch to make this broken heart. I almost dropped my phone because of my hand was cold. Another phone. Do not recommend. My voice ain't fading, baby. You all I need. Yeah, yeah. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. If time is money, I got racks for you, yeah. Not a penny, not a word, and you on cue, that's... Oh, yeah.
Take down the whole fucking building.
Hold there for the whole. Whoa! Oh, got it.
Well, fucking done, dude.
Right?
This is a year of dealing with tap dancing, skipping ropes, chair movements, table movements, skipping in the household, running in the household, eating shit in the household, doing skipping ropes in the household, just general screaming in the household, moving furniture in the household, unfucking necessary.
We would throw it at the roof, but honestly it was too quiet.
Okay.
Mom will probably tell you off. Okay, baby. Maybe time to stop. Okay, it is Saturday the 15th of May now, and we are finally getting out of here and getting the keys back. We've had a few little issues with like cleaning out this place and just not having access to a car. Also, the paint here is like chalk based or water based or something, so when you try to like wash the walls to like get the marks off, the paint is just like coming off the walls. So we're hoping they're not going to want us to like repaint it, but the walls need repainting, so hopefully the building owners will just accept that was like their bad for painting it with stupid paint. But we'll keep you updated. Hopefully we can get out of here today, hand all the keys back and just be done with it, because I'm so over this process. It's been like 2 weeks now and we do not want to be here this long in this like limbo place.
Two friends you ain't met, they cool, yeah. This bottle in a pre-roll, do be things I never said. Living with me like a roomie, it took one rose for the beast and the beauty, but it ain't really work like the movies. Every night ain't the same. Pillow next to me ain't got your head, but my heart's calling your name, yeah. I've been thinking about how we would kick it if I would've stuck to the plan, yeah. Yeah, it's out of my hands, muddy waters ahead, yeah. There ain't shit I can't tread, though. Got this weight on my shoulders, yeah. Got an ache in my heart. I just need one more touch to make this broken heart restart. Can you hear me calling? Can you hear my pleas? My voice ain't fading, baby, you all I need. Yeah, yeah. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same. Voice ain't fading, baby, you all I need. Yeah, yeah. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no.
You're right by the beach.
Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. I've been out of my mind, I've been out of my head. I've been out of my mind, I've been out of my head. I've been out of my mind, yeah.
Es tipo medio Jurassic Park, ¿no?
Okay, we are officially moved out of the other place. Keys handed over. It went super simple. They were really chill about it, which is not really that surprising considering they were so chill when we moved in the first place. But so now we get to just be in our new place. I'll show you what inside looks like right now. It is completely trashed, but it's because all the things that were left over at the old place were just random stuff that we don't really have a home for. Like we have these giant cushions that take up a lot of space that are for our combi van that we haven't purchased yet, so they will live in the van, but until we get the van we have to find a home for them. So it's about, I don't know, like 4 p.m. on a Saturday. I think we spent the afternoon, we went and got lunch and sat out in the sunshine for a while, and that was really nice. But now the rest of today I'm going to spend tidying up, and probably most of tomorrow as well, just trying to get the house in order. It's not going to be perfect because we still need to buy like furniture and decorations and things like that, but just to get it as good as it can be so that I can at least get back to normal and start working as normal. But I don't want to pick up and film things because there's mess in the background and it just doesn't feel like home. And I'm one of those people that if my surroundings are messy, it just gives me anxiety and I can't focus on my task. I think that's a sign that I have to head inside and finish the segment because we have some alarmas going past.
Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. don't feel the same, no. If time is money, I got racks for you, yeah.
Okay, I was just trying to film. I was just trying to film this on the GoPro, but then the SD card had an error. So what I was saying is we're just trying to do a bit of an apartment kind of Tetris situation, because you want to put the set of drawers over here and put the TV on the drawers, move this table to where the desk is, move the desk to where the drawers are. Ignore all of the random little things on top of it. Again, we're still sorting out storage situations, but every day I've been sitting at the desk trying to edit, but in the middle of the day the sun comes through these windows and it's lovely, but I'm sitting there sweating even though it's winter time because the sun is just so hot that I am like genuinely sweatier than I am when I go to the gym. So I just need the desk to move.
Probably not that much sun. It's just the fact that like you've been living with frontal darkness for the past like year.
Yeah, I'm just not used to it. Like it's lovely in the mornings and the evenings to be able to look out the window, but I think it'll just be a lot more practical to have the desk over there, and then we can have this corner as more of like a chill zone. I don't know, we're working it out, but for right now that's just what the plan is, to move everything around. It's also been like 2 weeks since we moved in and we're still not done moving, so I'm gonna close out this video today, whatever we get done by the end of this day, because otherwise it just keeps going and going and going. And when it comes to actually like buying a couch and putting in the shelving and stuff, we'll just put that in a video in like sometime in the next month, hopefully. But yeah, that's our plan for today.
I've been out of my mind, I've been out of my head. I've been out of my mind, I've been out of my head. I've been out of my mind, yeah.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going apartment hunting in Montevideo, Uruguay. I have seen so many of these videos going around on YouTube from just apartment hunting all around the world, from Korea to LA, New York, London, Australia, like all over the place. And since we're